How to change country in Amazon app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the country on Amazon apps, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to basically go ahead and then change the country on Amazon app, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open up the Amazon application here and you will see this type of interface. Tap on this little profile icon right at the center of the bottom of the screen here. And as you have done that, you'll find your flag icon located at the top right. So you can simply tap on the flag icon from the top right hand side here. Then here you can select country or region. So mine is currently set to United States. If you want to change it, select it and simply change it to other country you prefer. Tap on the done button and then your country on Amazon app will get successfully changed. That's all it takes to change the country on Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.